everything is not possible.
No, I hear when people say with God all things are possible. No.
Okay.
The will of man is in the hands of man.
Okay.
So everything God says is subject to change by man.
God does not enforce it on us
Never.
because He has said it.
You can reverse.
You can reverse it.
So death can be reversed.
Okay.
Blessings can be reversed.
Okay.
And let us get it clear. Ebony was not a fetish priest.
No.
She was not a Muslim.
No.
She was not an atheist. She was a Christian.
She was a Christian.
Just that what she shows out there is as a result of not well balanced parental control, which we can hide.
Okay.
Because look, in this part of our world, we have dressed for church, dressed for school, dressed for parties. So if you see anybody
Dress for swimming pool.
thank you. So if you see anybody wearing swimming costume to church in the morning, it tells you she's from a bad home,
Or there's something not right.
or she's mad, she's out of normal range.
Okay.
So I'm sitting here with singlet and supporter. In Beduba, second, it's not fashion. So when you see people doing things, the first place we go to, charity begins at home.
Pastor Jobison wanted to write a song for Ebony, and he told me off air that we shouldn't throw anybody away. God can use anyone. This lady has numbers, and the fact that I want to write song for her, you don't even know the song. But then he told me again that song for Ebony.
To do what?
To sing.
Us.
She's a songstress. She's
So-
good. She's talented.
So what song that what did I go for her?
He didn't categorically
Are you
say
aware of
gospel.
that?
Mhm.
Son, you cry mommy, oh.
Yes. But what he was saying
Did he win an award?
no, he didn't win
Because
an
they say
award.
it's not what?
He's not a gospel musician.
So going to write a gospel song, lyrical content for everybody to sing. You want the people who believe they are gospel singers to come and criticize her.
So you also believe that it was wrong?
I say relevant.
It's irrelevant.
And Kwasu.
And Kwasu.
Or throwing more former blessing on to.
You don't think giving it to Ebony could have also
For what?
reached to some people
Which
because
people?
you have gospel musicians are also saving lives. They also
So
reach out to
everybody is
people.
not saving life.
That is what the Christian
I saving life.
saving life with.
I've been hustling in the morning.
They say it's a secular
But it's
song.
a secular music we listen and we dance to it.
But the Christian
Even pastors
community,
tap their feet.
Christian community frown on it.
Who says so? They are lying.
They're lying.
Give me 4 Christians who frown on the song.
The Pastor Jobison was lambasted.
Please, they can't lambast me.
They lambasted him for wanting to write a song
No,
for Ebony.
you see, we're talking about the looks of Ebony, not the content of her song.
The content is she wanted to write a certain content.
And I'm saying that it's a waste of energy when Joe Bicha wants to write a gospel song for Ebony to
Okay.
sing what?
Okay.
Why is he not going to write for Shatawale? You can give it to Shatawale.
He had heard Ebony's song and he believed that Ebony's a
He should
talent.
give it to Shatawale. Ebony is there. He should give it to Shatawale to sing.
Okay.
I'm saying that Kwana sound will come out. The churches are playing it. We are all singing and using it for inspirational music.
Okay.
We are still criticizing that he's not a gospel musician. So the song rose to the heart, the level that we all know at the economy has become a good song. He was not awarded because he's not a gospel musician. So when you waste the energy of gospel song for people who are not gospel musicians,
Okay, so you won't side with the fact that
oh please
secular
forget
musicians,
it. If he has a
should-
song, you should go and give it to Shatawale to sing.
Shut up. Okay.
That's okay with me.
That's okay with you. Why
You
is
see,
that okay with you?
people are thinking that Ebony is not a Christian. She is.
She's a Christian.
She goes to church.
Yeah.
But the problem is that she needed somebody stronger to stop her influence that is irrelevant. Because when you become a role model, we have to learn the role before we model you. My brother, how many people were in the car?
There were
4.
yes.
The driver,
The driver,
The soldier,
the military man, the
the
lady,
boy, the girl, and everyone.
Yes.
Who are we talking about?
Ebony.
Why?
because she is the famous person.
Thank
She
you
is-
very much.
Yes.
So those hypocrites and down-funded human beings in Ghana, then when you talk about celebrity, they say leave them alone. I say they are relevant, so we will talk about them.
Yes, they are relevant. That's
So we will talk about the rest of you who are alive till you die.
okay.
So if you don't stop the things that are not relevant to the ministry of this music we are in, we will stop talking. Since morning, everybody's show has been changed. We didn't have this calendar.
No.
We didn't have it to be on this carpet to come and
No,
talk about
no,
it.
we
But
didn't.
the death of everybody has changed. So all die will be died.
Well, I know there's some died, there's some died.
My God, some die be sensible death. And for you people,
Yes, you said you wanted to say something for we living to learn.
thank you.
Please go on.
The first thing we need to learn are those people at the mortuary where Ebony and the other people who are there. All the people in those hospitals, they are not sensible people.
Wow.
And I repeat, they are not sensible with no apology. I just saw a video of the dead body running on social media.
Yes.
Nonsense.
Is that the influence? Is that where social media has gotten?
This is not what we learn in the medical school.
Okay.
We are not giving respect to the dead. But the death of the girl has an emotional impact to those who are close to her. Even the manager, Bullet. This can be his cash machine. Maybe whatever he has even invested in the life of somebody, he has not retrieved it yet. He's still invested. So even him, the accident is a gory one. This soldier man, nobody's talking about the soldier. We don't even know his name.
Yeah.
The girl, we don't even know their name.
Yeah.
Whether he was on official duty, he was on a friendly duty, we don't know. All of them, you've gone to video from the mortuary. And you are circulating on social media. Fools! Bull! Bull!
The second one is.
This is the way we are living in this country. So parenting has gone gaga. People get access to position and they forget that human beings have been trained for homes. That's what we need to learn. For we living.
Okay.
We shouldn't wait till we die for people to say things about us. Everybody's playing everybody's son. We miss our talent. We miss our talent. We fail our talent. Hypocrites. Hypocrites. You miss what talent? When she goes wrong, you talk about it. No.
We talk about it.
No.
I hear.
I don't have all the fear. That's why I'm cool. But I hear. Everybody was traveling at night.
Yes.
I hear.
Yeah.
She went to visit the mother.
Yeah.
My simple question was that, which airport did the mother land? When she was coming from UK? Because they can't hear.
Yeah.
Where does everybody live?
In a cracker.
So everybody must travel to go and meet the mother there. When everybody came, visit mother, she has to return immediately.
She could have slept.
What stopped? I hear the mother said,
Don't
that.
go. That. So it is lack of control on
Jesus
everyone.
Christ.
Because you could have exerted
God.
that control to
My
say,
God.
oh yeah, but that. You said that.
Even the driver will hear the command of the mother. But when our children get to the limelight, we think they've got all. Even artists, greedy managers who are interested in money from artists will tell you, as from artists, anything you say, it doesn't take. So who are you managing?
No, then you become an errand boy.
So they are greedy bastards and people who are collecting money to chop. Because if I say don't go here, I'm managing you, you don't go. The problem in this country, I said yesterday that you should wait for me. The president just gave the State of the Nation address and he has brought to us the economy of the nation. I am going to give you the state of family affairs in this nation. It's zookeeping and poultry farming. Because now every child has the right to do what he wants. Especially those in the limelight.
You think if the mother has exerted the mother pressure or the mother care,
it is
this
a standing order.
This will never have happened.
You won't go.
Okay.
Father say don't go, you won't go. Mother say don't go, you won't go. That's it. It ends there. Right now we don't know who the girl is. I still say the same thing. The soldier we don't know. So what if the girl to the parents said we didn't even know where she was going? And I see they are living on their own. Even with these grown-up old men. When mommy calls, we obey. When daddy calls, we obey. Because the life we are living, God will speak first, not to a prophet, but to parents. All pastors know.
Is it like a generational thing?
No.
Every generation has its own ways of living. Some of us, we grew.
Yourself.
Okay. Some of us, we grew knowing that it's not generation. This generation don't listen.
There's nothing like generation.
Okay.
It is bad parenting and zookeeping.
Bad parenting and zookeeping.
That's it, because right now we're not raising the children. Look, I said some of us went to schools where they are practicing Catholicism. But we're not Catholics. But the order was that you learn every Sunday, you go to the mass.
Well, I just got the other lady's name, Frankie.
From where?
Nobody knows.
Thank you.
Nobody knows.
We were here when the guy who is going underwater. Castro.
Okay, that's the personal assistant. Frankie is the personal assistant.
No.
Yeah. Castro, and we forgot that she was with a lady. Janet Bandu.
Bandu, fair-colored girl.
Yeah.
We talk about Castro, the Bandu girl was a silent commodity.
Yeah.
We are in this country where a level 100 or something girl left university campus, travel with the deputy minister of tourism far back there, and she had an accident and died. What is going on in our country? Parents are sleeping.
Are we taking things of the spirit on the light?
Oh, as for pastors, they don't give us respect. If the people sound gives a prophecy, they will run for it because Nyankopon is slow.
So you think we're not giving, like, you heard the prophecy,
The prophecy, yeah,
and it was direct.
They don't care about it.
He mentioned Ebony's name and gave a certain particular time.
You remember a gospel artist came to talk about everybody's dressing, and they went and insulted her.
Or the president of that evening.
Was just made an elder, so he just joined the
free.
Family was not in the name of after losing the stomach, he has now found God, so it's okay. But what I'm saying is that, what's the name of the lady? One of these fine gospel artists. I know a very strong, energetic gospel artist.
And a very good one.
She came to talk about the way her body looks, that she has a good talent, but her looks are not presentable. They insulted her. As for me, nobody has insulted me to the ever since I started this way. Because people who are following me, they don't see what I see, so they say what they want to say. But I'm saying that people who are around the girl were back. This year when we started, look at the first thing everybody brought up. They say everybody's new look. She's got more piercing, more tattoo. I was so angry. What is it?
Is she not living her brand?
What brand?
The dance over.
My foot brand. Is that where she used with the brand? When God gives you talent, my talent is not anything, it's a voice.
It's a voice.
Intelligence. So why do I come in? Even when it's quiet,
there's an art you do, and that art you need to live it. The dancehall art, is that not the art Shatawale is living?
What is he doing? Coming to smoke weed on Facebook?
And he is.
It's just because his father is not in control, his mother is not in control, and he's a bad example for the society and for even the children upcoming. As for his children who are coming with a baby mama, they are worse commodities altogether there.
So you think there's nothing good going to come out?
Not behave like when you get into the limelight, you are supposed to be dirty, nasty, unpresentable. No!